Hey guys, what's up? It's Logan here today back with another video on domino. So this will be a tutorial video on how to do the split. Now split is a really cool trick, a way how to enhance your building and in general just make you a better builder. Now if you like watching me every day, then if I were you, I would leave a like and subscribe wouldn't hurt either. Without further ado, let's get into it. Now first I'm gonna place domino vertical like this. Move it to the middle for you guys. Then you want to place two dominoes down like this. Well, make sure the two edges of the dominoes are diagonal from your vertical domino are hanging out kind of in a way. That way when the domino pushes, the two dominoes split apart and hence the name split. See, like that. So pretty cool clip. Explains how easy and simple that trick is. And really cool way how to enhance your building. Perfect example. Now, let's just put our domino line. 1, 4, bam, presto. Very easy trick. Now I'm gonna show you two more ways how you can use this trick. Now you use this trick to kind of like split your domino build into two different lines. So you can also use it to make letters. So I'll use these dominoes to make the letter Y. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Now, third way you can do this trick is combining a bunch of different splits to create like a really cool build. So you place your first split down like this. And then on these two sides, you place more splits. You can create designs, shapes, and even letters or words out of this. So, like I said, splits a really cool design. I'm just gonna do like a few splits. Don't want to go overkill. Sorry, my hand gets in the way sometimes. Okay, and we'll do one more right here. You know, and we'll do, okay, I'm gonna do a domino just for fun. Okay, I like dominoes. I can't stop myself. There's our domino line. I'm gonna do run right here. Okay, and we'll place a domino line from the beginning. Okay, 3, 2, 1. See, pretty cool trick. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something from this video as well. Real cool trick, real cool way how to enhance your building. And like I said, I'm getting better at editing as the days pass. So expect better and better videos from the future. And well, yeah. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.